Action.
Hey! I'm Mitchell.
And I'm Mason.
And welcome back to Fort Worth Fabric News. I know it's been a month. Apologies for that. But our next tour is starting very soon, March the 8th to be exact. It is going to be a tour from 3 to 6 p.m. So if you are in the DFW area or maybe slightly outside of it, or if you want to fly
Take
in,
the trip.
I mean, that's completely
That's
up to
on
you.
you.
There might be a few tickets left. I know we put the tickets live on Tuesday. If there's any tickets left, which I hope there should still be a couple, because I know we're putting 35 up. It should be linked in the description below at the top, so you should go check it out. It's a very cool event. You get to shop here, meet with reps.
Meet us.
Meet us.
Get to hang out. We usually have food.
Oh yeah,
food. So
yeah,
we're
we
gonna
got plenty of
snacks and whatnot. It's not like a full-on dinner, but there's like little
like finger
treats and
foods.
what- Finger
in a sense.
foods. Yeah, there you go. You get to meet the other people that come. So maybe make some friends.
Yeah, make some cool quilting buddies, you know?
Yeah.
Maybe go to a quilt retreat together afterwards, who knows? That could be cool. There will be a couple reps here that you can talk with regarding different collections, so you may get to see some like sneak peeks of like new groups coming that even we don't know about. I do know we're gonna have someone come on Zoom for us that they're gonna be discussing how batiks are made, particularly banyan batiks. Her name is Karen. She'll be on video with us, just kind of going over that. So
This would be the first time actually we've done that.
yeah,
So that's a brand new thing.
It'll be
It's
interesting to see how that goes.
We heard last time, I heard this through the grapevine, that we might be doing autographs.
Give me a pen. Where's the
Shoot.
pen?
I don't even want a Mitchell or Mason autograph. I want a Justin autograph, and so should you.
This is not an open house, so you need a ticket to come. This is not just show up on March the 8th and you get to tour. No, you need a ticket. So that being said, as I said earlier, hopefully there's still tickets left. If not, I apologize. By the time you're watching this, they may be sold out.
They do go fast.
They do go pretty quick. I know, like I said, we have 35 on. So you should go check those out.
So another thing for us and for y'all to look out for is the Nothing Sweeter Table Runner is going to be matching the Nothing Sweeter Quilt Kit. Look out for that soon on our website, on our Facebook, any of those things. Be on the lookout for that.
Next, I wanted to show off Sundance from Moda. This is designed by Crystal Manning. I have a couple things to show off here with it. So this is all just one group called Sundance by Crystal Manning for Moda. There's several different pre-cuts and fabric that you can see here that we have available. This boxed kit is priced at $159.96. Turns out to be a 69 by 79 for the finished quilt size.
Pretty big size.
That's a pretty good size. Do you think that fit on queen? I don't even know what is the proper measurement for a queen size. I don't even know.
I don't know either.
I think we ask that every video.
We probably do. We probably need to look it up by now and actually have.
Or
that
y'all tell
information.
us in the comments.
That could help. Yeah. Ooh, make it easier for us. The fat quarter bundle is a $92.96. Then we got the layer cake and the jelly roll are both at $45.96. We also have a charm pack, which isn't in here, which that's a $11.96. And then this fabric is priced at $12.96 per yard. So yeah, just wanted to show off this cool group that we have. All pre-orders have been cut on this, so this is all live. Anything you order, we will get done as fast as we can and out to you. By the time this video is going up, I think we're like 2 days behind on orders.
Yeah,
is
like
it?
two.
Like we're like 2 days behind, so we're very close to being caught up. So it should be relatively soon to your order. Unless you have a pre-order, we should be very quick on the turnaround on these.
So next we have a kit coming from Henry Glass. The actual collection is called Patriotic Picnic. As you can see, it's the name of the kit as well. This kit is priced at $102.96. And
The finished size, 64.5 by 71.5.
so also pretty good size, just like the Sundance box quilt kit.
Yeah, this one looks like it has a lot of, patriotic, of course.
So
It's
4th of July.
red, white, blue.
President's Day. You know, we just had that, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
that was Monday.
All right, so we're gonna go through a couple of the fabrics with Patriotic Picnic quilt kits because they are also just in the collection with yardage that we have on our website that you can shop for separately. So we got this first one.
Looks like a panel.
Yeah, it does look like a panel. Probably is.
It's probably what these squares are, isn't it? It's probably these squares all around it.
Yeah.
Probably this panel. Okay.
Put that right there. We got that same the checkerboard lining, I would say. That's what that is.
Got some stars on blue.
Stars on blue is cool.
Stars on red.
Stars on red.
Those picnic baskets.
Ooh,
That's cool. It's a
Patriotic Picnic.
It's picnic baskets. I like that.
Those are cute. I
They
like
are
those.
very cute. This is what do they call this? What's their base?
Folio.
Folio
Red.
Red folio, yeah. Ooh, trucks.
Oh, trucks. You know what it is with the
Yeah.
American flag in the back. That's what I'm talking about. We got a red truck, got an American truck, we got a blue truck.
That is awesome. I want that paint job.
And then we have a white folio. So
Awesome. That's
very
a
cool kit. We're gonna try to put this back together as clean as we can.
Next, wanted to show off a fat quarter bundle that we made. It is using a bunch of pieces from Batik. And this is a 10-piece fat quarter bundle. It is called Indian Spice. We can go through a couple pieces here. It is priced at $32.96. They're all batik, so it's gonna have that like batik look to them.
Yep.
This one's like a floral on like a coral, like red. Like,
Corals look good. Description.
we got,
A little bit of a darker one.
what?
This looks like
I don't even know what those are.
watercolor. I'd
Okay.
say watercolor.
Watercolor, okay. With some like cool little stripes here and there, like little
Yeah,
lines.
yeah.
We got another floral. This one's more on like a yellowish with some
You know what this reminds me
tans.
of?
What?
This reminds me of those little intermission things or the credits at the end of the SpongeBob episode. You know what I'm talking about? They had this little background on the back.
yeah.
That's what that reminds me of.
I see, like the eternity later.
Exactly
I
that,
see.
yeah.
This one looks like I guess diamond shape with I don't know, whatever shape that is. I don't know. That's on like a brown with some red coral onto it.
Yeah.
This looks similar to that one striped one that we saw earlier. This one's on like a tan. We got, what
Like
is
a
it?
burgundy, burnt sienna.
Yeah, I mean, I like that pattern. I don't know what I would describe that pattern as, but
Yeah.
it looks cool. Leaves? No, not leaves. Twigs, particles? I don't know.
Embers?
Ember? That's cool. Yeah, I like that because like they're sort of like a reddish coralish look, so they could be embers.
They also kind of look like rice.
Yeah, on a dark brown background.
Yeah.
There's another dark brown background, maybe more of like a gray
I like that one.
with a dark maroon, I would say, looking diamonds on here.
Yep.
And then we have
That same one from before,
yeah,
but
just
darker.
Yeah, a lot darker. So yeah, this is our Indian Spice. It's just a bunch of Batik pieces that we threw together and made into a cool bundle. Like I said, it is $32.96. It is a 10-piece fat quarter bundle. So in conclusion, we talked about the tour. Like I said, if you're in the area and you want to check that out, and we still have tickets, check in the description. Then we talked about
The Nothing Sweeter table runner. Look out for that soon on our website.
We talked about Sundance from Moda, which is that cool collection that we have available now.
With the box kits, the
We
pre-cuts,
have
the
all
yardage.
the pre-cuts on that one.
Yeah.
And the yardage. Plenty left over, so there should be several yards left on the website. You can go check out on that.
And then we also have the Patriotic Picnic from Henry Glass Quilt Kit, along with yardage and whatnot with that.
And then lastly, we talked about the Indian Spice fat quarter bundle that we made with Batik. Yeah, I think that does it for this news video. So I want to thank you for watching and checking back in with us. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, please put that in the comments below. We like to respond as best we can to any of those. Plus, if you have a good question, we might be able to bring it up in one of these videos or one of our TikToks or anything. Speaking on that, check out all our socials. We're on TikTok, we're on Instagram, we're on Facebook, we're here on YouTube. So you can check us out anywhere there, and we will be posting on there. Like this button if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it if you want to get notified when we upload.
I think that'll do it.
I think that'll do it. See y'all next time.
See
Thanks
ya.
for watching.